Today in the grain market, soybeans were higher. There is still dryness in Brazil and some year-end short covering adding to some of that market support. But the expectation of a record crop coming out of Brazil is still in play and kind of looming right now. Perhaps that's why the open interest on the put side is much higher than the call side at this point right now. Today, March contract had a 17-cent range. We got as high as 10.04.5 before pulling back somewhat. Right now, the fence of the options surrounding the March contract is going to be between $9.80 and $11. It's a pretty wide range, but there's plenty of room for the market to move if we decide to actually step up a little bit higher. Right now, CVAL's at 19.2%, with the oil at 39.3%, and the meals come down a little bit at 29.5%. Corn today was a little bit mixed. We did have strong demand. Ethanol production is really improving, and prices were staying above that 100-day moving average. But perhaps the little bit of rally that we got today just brought in some profit taking and some farmer selling coming in. We did make another new high since June. We got up to 458.5 before really pulling back up almost like 7 or 8 cents. Right now, we added 2,800 contracts really to the 480 strike. Does that mean that that's going to be the next target? It certainly looks like that. Like that is where the objective is going to be. But the demand still remains strong for corn really across the board, and I think it's going to help really the rest of the commodities or of the grains going forward. CVAL in that corn is at 18.6%. Now, wheat today was firm. There is better export sales. I think that March future is up almost 25 cents in just 5 days. We get up to 554.5. But U.S. prices are still not really as competitive as Russia right now, so that makes it difficult to have any continued significant rally. But we're going to be watching. March still had a 10.25 cent range today. And I think that, January options, they had a 5,500 to those, to the call side, which, perhaps there's going to be some short-term players coming up. But March is still looking like $6 and $7 are the objective. I know they're far away, but just something to keep an eye on. Right now, CVAL is at 28.2%. So one more day left before closing the books on 2024. So it should be very interesting coming tomorrow.